As programmers, we all need a code editor. Now, if you already have one set up, you can skip this video. However, stick around if you still need one, or you just want to install a different one. Now, I'll quickly present to you two of my favorite code editors, Atom and Sublime. Developers widely use both, and I personally use both of them for different reasons. In Sublime, I usually look at large files, but I prefer editing in Atom. Now, in this course, all the coding demonstrations will take place in Atom, but it's really up to you which one you would like to go with. So to find Atom, just head to a new window in your browser and search Atom. This will take you to the home page, and boom, there's a button for us that allows us to install it. Same with Sublime, head to a new browser window, search Sublime, and there we go, there's our button for installing it. And don't worry, there's a lot of different packages, so no matter what system you're on, you'll be able to set up Sublime onto your machine. So once you have one of them installed, in Mac you can find it by going to the Applications folder or simply spotlighting for Sublime or Atom. And you can even have them on your dock right here. So here I have Atom and Sublime. Alright, with one of these editors installed, we're prepared to actually create, change files, and code.